Hey y'all, so it's time for me to pick the winner for the Caron Simply Soft yarn that I introduced on my channel a few weeks back. Thank you so much for all who entered. If you have not turned on your notification bell, please take the time to do that. I'm going to be putting this tutorial up for this really pretty shawl, and I would love for you all to check it out. So really quickly, just to recap what I'm going to be giving away: 3 skeins of the Caron Simply Soft yarn in this multicolor here, very pretty, the crochet hook, as well as these really cute travel scissors. So those are what you'll be receiving in the giveaway. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You guys know, or probably know from my last video, I like to do random comment picker. All I have to do is enter the URL. It will put the number of comments, and I think we had 389. That's what it says there. 389. That is super awesome. So let's see who our winner is going to be. Jamie White. Yay! Congratulations, Jamie. I really appreciate everyone that entered. Thank you so much, Jamie. If you would just get in contact with me within 30 days using my email address here and then also in my description box down below, I will make sure that I get your goodie sent out to you. Thanks again. See you all in my next video. Bye.